How to generate your unlock code for radio in Renault. As you can see, I found only working method. It's like the radio unlock code generate, and it supports all models of radio in Renault. All you need to do, you must get this application, Radio Plus. This application allows you to generate your unlock code, and it supports all models of radio in Renault. All you need to do, you must enter our serial number of our radio or enter our VIN. The next step is press button unlock code, and now as you can see, everything is generated. So wait to finish this process. After complete of this process, our unlock code will be generated, and yeah, this is my unlock code, and I get this absolutely for free. Where I found Radio Plus application, it's easy. Open browser, go to Renault app. As you can see, type this the Radio Plus. Press button install. Wait to finish this process. The last step is verification. After complete every step, Radio Plus will be installed in your mobile device.